Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SEB Review My Usage Experience. SEB Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing software and applications. It's primarily aimed at software developers, testers, and project managers who need a centralized system for tracking bugs, feature requests, and overall software quality. Key features seem to include task assignment, progress tracking, and reporting functionalities. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. It boasts ease of use and aims for complete transparency regarding pricing. No hidden fees are mentioned. They highlight a streamlined workflow, enabling teams to collaborate efficiently. Availability is not explicitly stated on the site, but a free trial seems to be offered. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SEB Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was up and running within minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned how to create new review tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress using their Kanban-style board. The reporting features were particularly helpful, allowing me to generate detailed reports on bug fixes and overall project health. Performance was excellent, the platform responded quickly, and I never experienced any downtime. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing project management tool, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the customizable reporting. It allowed me to tailor reports to exactly what I needed to share with stakeholders. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it less convenient to check on things on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for custom workflows, but once I understood them, they proved extremely useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SEB Review My Usage Experience. It generally met my needs, and the positive aspects definitely outweigh the minor inconveniences. That's my overview of SEB Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.